Looking for a grout suitable for large exterior joints, even the most demanding ones? Keracolor GG, the high-performance cementitious grout for joints from 4 to 15 millimeters. Keracolor GG is the ideal solution for surfaces subject to heavy traffic such as shopping centers, airports, and transit areas, as well as for industrial floors where resistance to chemical agents is not required. It's also perfect for exterior walkways, facades, balconies, and swimming pools, suitable for ceramics, natural stone, and glass mosaics. It can also be mixed with the Fugolastic admixture to achieve adequate resistance for severe in-service conditions. Thanks to an improved grain size, Keracolor GG ensures a finer, fuller, and more compact joint. This, combined with excellent workability, greatly facilitates the installer's work, ensuring a superior and long-lasting aesthetic result. Available in 20 colors, it allows you to unleash your creativity, perfectly finishing every surface. Furthermore, its formula offers high compressive strength and abrasion resistance, low shrinkage, and excellent bond strength, even in extreme conditions. It is a product with very low volatile organic compound VOC emissions, contributing to protecting the environment and the health of its users. Keracolor GG for uniform and resistant grouting. Find out more at mapei.com.